Hi guys, welcome back. So now we're going to be going through the berries worksheet. These are really good if you've got a bit of space that just needs a little decorative element putting in, or if you need a nice little bundle but you don't want anything as big or decorative as a flower. So we'll just go over that now. So I've come up with this little grid here where if you take any oval and add this curve shape, so I did it in all 6 of these, you can add any of these different types of elements and you get like near enough 18 different designs. Is that 18? 6 times 3? I don't know, I don't do math. But yeah, so you do your oval, you can add the curve, or you can add this little birdie V shape, or this weird, like the top of one of the buildings in Aladdin. That shape. Basically, any of these 3 variations with any type of shape or symbol will create an interesting set of berries. I've given you a space here to practice just doing these for yourself. So a little curve, colour it in if you want to. And we can go up. I like this one, I use this one a lot. And I like this one with a little dot on the end. I use that one a lot as well. You could do a straight line if you really wanted to. And have the little decorative elements shooting out like that. Or you could do a little opposite way, so rather than going out like that, you can do this kind of crescent shape in the bottom. If you really wanted to, you could do a heart shape. It's basically, this is a very basic guide, and then you've got this space here to work out any shapes you think you might like, anything you want to experiment with. That's really nice, I like the heart shape. Yeah. Or let's try a diamond. Well, a triangle, a weird triangle, a pizza slice. It looks like a pizza slice. Slice of pizza. I'm just trying to see what I can do to fill the space, like, and show you that it's pretty much anything you can imagine. It doesn't have to look realistic. It doesn't have to look like a real berry or a real flower. I think it's pretty clear that the flowers I draw are not representative of real life flowers. They're more suggestive, symbolic. So yeah, use these to experiment with your own shapes or to just practice doing some of these. And then down here we've got some little sticks that you can practice putting your berries on and see what looks nice as a combination. Very quickly you start to get like a little drawing that looks quite pretty, especially when you start to combine. Okay, so when you combine with the leaves we did on the other sheet, you start to get a nice little combination and a little doodle that's really pretty for not much work. And you can add the little berries just to fill some of those gaps in. Okay, that's really pretty. It's so simple. Let's do this one here. See how even when you just scribble it, it looks still looks quite pretty. Nice loose drawing. I very rarely show my loose drawings, and I always really like them because they've got an energy that gets lost when I start to line it with ink. but then I always feel like I wouldn't want to show people the sketches because it's not finished, it's not refined. But really, these are pretty. They're lovely as they are. I decided now that I don't like that I put that berry there. It looks awkward. That's why we have the practice sheets. Do a big berry. And then maybe a nice 5 shape. Maybe we can surround it with little berries. I don't know, this might look really awkward, but we don't know till we try it out. Maybe like this. That looks really pretty. Could you imagine that, like if you made a little Valentine's card, you just do a little doodle like that. Oh, you could even make a card with it at the front. That's really simple. Boom. So yeah, use this to practice bundling together the berries that you've made to see if you like how they look, because you might find that when you've done something up here, it looks nice on its own, but when you bring it down into a composition, there's too many elements to it. Like I think something like this or this might be quite overwhelming. Let's just see actually. Should we see? Shall we see if it works? And if it doesn't, we'll just pretend it never happened. But at least we know for ourselves. But nobody else ever has to know. It's great. No, I don't know, for me that just doesn't seem to work as a set. Like it looked nice up here, but it doesn't seem to work as nicely. Maybe I'd have to see what big flower I do with it. So yeah, practice your berries. Nice filler for your page. And next we're going to be working on bringing all the elements together, the flowers, the leaves, the berries, the shoots. And let's see how we get on with that.